everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to earn money with YouTube Shorts, which is a new YouTube update. Have you all heard about the news that YouTube Shorts Fund offers $10,000 per month for creators? Moreover, YouTube also announced to reward $100 million to top YouTube Shorts creators over 2021 to 2022. You can also earn from YouTube Shorts without being on camera. You can do this without any investment for free. You can do this even if you have no skills or experience. Do you want to be like these people who are earning millions of dollars from YouTube Shorts? If you want to be one of them, then stay on this video to the end because I'm going to show you how to earn money with YouTube Shorts. And also, I will tell you how you can earn money step by step for free anywhere in the world, even if you have never made a single YouTube short before. Now, YouTube has made it easy for everyone to make over $10,000 per month by only copy and pasting videos on YouTube Shorts without making your own videos. First, I will show you some example channels doing this, and then I will guide you step by step so you can make money on YouTube in the easiest and fastest way. This is first channel. This channel name is Tofu the Corgi. It has only 54 upload, and as you can see, Tofu the Corgi got 2.2 million views in the last 30 days, and this channel is estimated earning $3.1k to $26.5k monthly and $36,800 to $317.5k yearly. As you can see, this channel got so many views. The content is all about a little dog. This channel has like 10 seconds of videos. They are posting like corgi puppy slide. Everybody wants a corgi until our first corgi puppy video pretending to put my dog on a diet and these sorts of videos. And shocking part is that they started uploading videos 3 months ago, which is a short duration but so many views. This channel is making quite a bit of money from this right here. The second channel I'm going to show you is Cute Animals Videos. If we go to Social Blade, this channel owners has actually set their channel to private, so we cannot really see much stats going on, but if we click on About, we can see they have got over 800 million views on this channel in total, and they joined about 8 months ago. All this channel is doing is making videos about cute and funny dogs, smart dog, cute and funny cat, all really short videos, and they are getting high views. And the most popular video of this channel got 107 million views in just 3 months, and thing is that they are not making videos themselves. Okay, third and last channel I'm going to show you. This channel name is 60 Formula and getting 23 million views. They are getting lots of views and they're earning lots of money per month. And they're making content on their dog and also uploading mixing original YouTube content. They have videos like Fluffy Husky, because people love huskies, loves to dig, lazy husky gets booped, and kind of these. Same like these videos, I will guide you how you can make videos like these and become one of them, even if you don't have a dog, even if you have never made a single YouTube video before. But before that, drop a like on this video. Also, comment down below and make sure to stay to the end to not miss out anything. So the step number 1 is go to youtube.com. Here, just click in the search bar and search for funny dog. Here you can see these cute dogs getting 29 million views, but all you have to do is to click on filters and then click on Creative Commons. Creative Commons on YouTube means by marking your videos with a Creative Commons license, you are granting the entire YouTube community the right to reuse and edit that video. This is from YouTube itself. So it will not cause any copyright issue or any disclaimer from YouTube, because YouTube itself is giving you authority to reuse the videos. Moreover, you can easily monetize your channel if you copy anything from Creative Commons content. Now, step number 2 is to download the footage. All you have to do is to right click on a video and then copy link address. Then search YouTube downloader and click on first link. Paste your link here and click on convert, get link and download. Step number 3 is go to canva.com, which is a free video editor. You can log in with your Google account, Facebook account or Apple ID. Okay, now search for ad, and now all you need to do is drag the downloaded video directly onto this canvas. Make it look aspect ratio right here and make sure the video is completely centered. Edit the video, make it shorter because YouTube Shorts is 60 seconds long or it is less than 60 seconds. Here we go, and now download it. And before video, click on download, and now video is downloading. Step number 4 is uploading a video. Go to YouTube, click on upload video, select the video and make a title like this video has dogs, so these dogs are of our golden retriever. So I will write here golden retriever puppy saved from falling in water and add hashtag shorts. You can also add hashtag shorts in the description. And one of the most important thing is that don't forget to give credit to original work. Copy the original video link and paste it in your description. Then we are going to add licensed under Creative Commons by attribution. This link says you are free to share, copy and distribute the material. And mentioning for any copyright concern, contact us by email address. Last step is go to ClickBank for affiliate marketing. Select your country, give your information and then click join bank. Once you join it, you can see hundreds of different affiliate products that you can promote and make money with. Search for dog right here and saw results by gravity. This means highest selling. This one is called brain training for dogs. Games to improve a dog's intelligence and behavior. Now click on promote, enter your account nickname, and this is your affiliate link. You will make 75% commission for every customer you refer to this product, and that is an average $31. So if you put this link into the description, you will make an average $31 if people decide to buy it. This is what you can definitely start doing and start earning money from YouTube Shorts. I hope this video will help you out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel.